Hello and welcome to episode 23 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We're going to go over some changes on this gutted main floor today. We're standing in this bedroom where we were working on it last time trying to figure out the closet situation. We got that put together. Everything is framed out. Now we have to get the drywall put in and the door put in. So we'll go over here to the foyer. The subfloor has been put down and then they framed out the closet and the half bath that will go right here. And we did a last minute change on something upstairs. I'll show you here in a minute. It's a bit of a train wreck down here, as you can see. I mean, there's just stuff everywhere. There's all the drywall. They've got to do the HVAC this week, and then they'll start putting up the drywall. Here's where the stairs were changed. If you remember, we had taken that cabinet and bookshelf out from the last video, and they went ahead and extended that, so that I think that's gonna look really good. And then here there used to be it was like a metal railing right there, and we've been talking about doing a half wall. So my husband ripped that out and he went ahead and framed that up, so we will have the half wall. And we'll show you the last minute change that we decided. If you remember, that bathroom was redone after we moved in. My husband redid it. It was a half bathroom. And it makes perfect sense to redo a bathroom and then rip the whole thing out, right? So anyway, we have been talking about changing this from a half bathroom to a full bathroom. And it's like, well, let's just go ahead and do it. So that's what he was doing this weekend. That entire thing has been ripped out. There was a closet right there, a closet right there. And he ripped all of that out, framed it up. So in this bathroom, we'll have the vanity, the toilet, and then the tub shower will be moved right there. So it'll be a nice full bathroom that'll be up here by this bedroom. Oh, stepping on stuff. And then that's where the half wall will be. So anyway, that is the latest. Stay tuned for the next episode. I'm looking forward to having all this stuff framed, or not framed out, but all the drywall and everything. So we'll see you next time.